What's up guys? Welcome back to the TenorShare channel. GB WhatsApp is a modified version of the official WhatsApp, which gives you extra features like hide online status, custom fonts and theme, freeze last seen, etc. In this video, I'll show you where to download and how to install it on your device. Let's dive in. Since it's not available in Play Store, we are going to open the browser and Google GB WhatsApp. The one that works is from www.gbwhatsapp.download. Here we got the latest version. Go ahead and download it. It says file might be harmful. That's okay, we download it anyway. Then we can find it in the download folder. Go ahead and tap to install. It's blocked by Play Protect as expected. Let's expand the details, and then tap to install it anyway. Now we can move on to our next part, transfer data from the official WhatsApp. Since there's no existing GB WhatsApp backup on this phone, here we select Agree and Continue. Make sure you have created a backup in your official WhatsApp. Then you can restore it to GB WhatsApp by tapping on Copy WhatsApp Data. Of course, you can skip this step and verify your phone number right away. You just want to start over. Here we tap on Copy WhatsApp Data, then verify the phone number. Skip giving permission to Google Drive if prompted. After setting up your profile, your WhatsApp chat should be loading up right away. So that's it. If you want to transfer it to another phone, watch our another video here. For more tips like this, subscribe to the TenorShare channel or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.